Hi there, Eric here from JRC Models, resident drone technician. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to map your farmland using only your crop spraying drone. So when you have your controller, your drone and your RTK all connected, you're going to go here to the cog in the top right, to settings, to RTK. You're going to put it on custom coordinates. Make sure RTK positioning is on and make sure your source is the DRTK3AG. Alright, you're going to go to switch, you're going to say new coordinates, you're going to say auto coordinates and then save. But we have already saved these coordinates. So we're going to quickly go back, we're going to switch our mode here in the top left corner from route mode to route mapping. Now this will be like setting up a route mission. So very the same, you can say add there. Going to just fly through these, so you can do it either with your crosshair, your controller or your aircraft, just like when you would set up a normal flight mission. So we're just going to do a quick
waypoint added.
Alright, so then you can choose area route or boundary route. Area route, it will map the whole area on the inside. Boundary obviously will just map the boundary. So if you want to do the full piece of land, make sure to choose area route. Here you can set your resolution. Obviously higher resolution, better quality, but the longer it will take to process. We can save it, we can give it a name. We're just going to call this one JRC for now, and then save. And then once we're good to go, we will press start. Alright, so once we finished our mission, make sure our drone is where it should be. I'm just going to tap on start. Alright, once you're satisfied, you can select your mapping task, the one you want to use. So we have this one selected. There's the options there. Now we're going to say start. It's going to give us all these options there. As you can see, it will do it 30 meters high, 32 kilometer speed. Then we can just slide to take off.
Aircraft preparing to take off. Stand back.
And so the mission will start. So the drone has already taken off. You can see there on the right side there. It will show us the amount of photos it has taken out of the maximum it will take, the percentage of the route completed. So all your information you can just check there. So here it is in progress. As you can see, we've already taken about 60 pics out of 207. You can see it already starts to automatically kind of fill up the map as it processes the pictures as well. And obviously the yellow lines are lines it still has to fly, and the white lines are one it has completed. So the drone has now finished its flying mission. As you can see, routes 100%, photos 261 out of 261. It just needs to finish up the mapping piece. As you can see the progress on the bottom there.